As you sign into Remarketer, we are going to be able to share pre-construction projects that we have entered into the system with you, so that you don't have to build out pre-construction landing pages on your own. So this is going to help you with time as well as quality of the landing pages, and arm you with some good landing pages for lead generation, and we can show you how to implement those. So when you log into your Remarketer system, you're going to go into your listing manager. And as you know, with the listing manager, you can add listings by just hitting add new and then the MLS number. We have added a button called pre-construction gallery. And in that gallery, you'll have a gallery of pre-construction projects that we're currently working on. And we'll keep them up to date, and you'll be able to add that to your system. So as you go through here, depending on which ones you want, if you want them all, you just click on add listing. That's all you have to do. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like as you add those listings. You can check out your website. So as you go down your front page, you already have your featured properties, and then you'll have already built out page here called pre-construction condos for your front page. And those are the ones that you've clicked on, as well as in your search. I believe it's up at the top under listings. Under listings, you'll have new developments as well. And if you click on new developments, you'll have your own page for new developments as well. So there's 7 properties. Within these pages, if you click on any one of them, you'll have the information landing page already built out for you with all the information about the project. As you can see all the way down, and also a register for VIP access submission there. And then that lead will go direct to you. So how do you get that out to your clients? You go back into your back end. Now that you have them in your pre-construction gallery, in your listing manager, you will see the new developments in there. You are able to promote that on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So that's social posting. So if you clicked on Facebook, that's already connected with your Facebook because you've hooked that in. And you can just say something about it and post it. Also, I like the newsletter feature. So if you go into newsletters, you would hit add custom newsletter, and this is how you're going to send it out by email. You're going to generate a newsletter with that pre-construction property as being your titled property. So you can create a title. For example, you want to put 8818 Young as the title. So you can just select the listing. It is 8188. There it is, and hit add. And then that is now added, and it also has the more details button there as well. If you want to put more information, that's great. You want to put statistics, a video, any news articles about it, anything you want, you can put in there. It's really got some great functionality. You just hit generate when you're done, and it'll generate a newsletter based on that condo. You hit save. That will now be available in your newsletter section. And for example, that's the one there. You can preview it. I know it says monthly newsletters because I didn't title it, but you can view it just to make sure that that's what you want to be sending, and that's what you want to be sending. So I hit back, and then easy enough to just hit actions and email, select who you want to email it to. You want to select all, you can email it to all and just hit send. Okay, so that's how you will interact in your listing manager with your pre-construction, putting it onto your website, also sending it out using the newsletter to your emails, actions to your social media, etc. So it's all there for you now, automated.